Projects in HubSpot only as a custom object with an enterprise license? That's a thing of the past.
The HubSpot Experts by WPWA Digital.
Today, we'll look at the exciting new feature, the project object. For the first time, you can manage projects directly in your CRM. No more scattered nodes, no extra tools running alongside HubSpot. I'll explain how the project object works, what you can already do with it today, and what you should keep in mind during the beta phase. Let's dive right in. Maybe you're asking yourself, why do I even need this? Until now, projects often lived in tools like Asana, Trello, or Excel, completely disconnected from the CRM. That meant double the effort, poor visibility, and lots of inconsistencies. The new HubSpot project object brings projects right where your deals, contacts, and tickets already live, directly into the CRM. Cleaner handovers, better visibility, and less context switching are the main benefits. In short, a deal is won, a project automatically starts, you manage tasks and milestones directly within HubSpot. Important note, we are still in the beta phase. Not everything is available yet, but here's what you can already do. Set up different pipelines to organize your projects. Define project type and status, like blocked or on hold. Save notes directly within the project. Create projects and manage tasks inside them. Associate a project directly with a closed-won deal. Use workflows. For example, you can set up an automation so that when a deal stage changes to closed won, a project is automatically created. Go to Workflows. Use the trigger Deal moves to closed won. Automatically create the associated project. That's the overview of the HubSpot project object, what it can do today and how you can start using it. If you have any questions or want help setting this up in your system, drop them in the comments or get in touch with us. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot updates and tutorials. See you in the next video and good luck with your project management directly in your CRM.